the storm is to barely survive. The shadows they grow in the back of my mind. Oh, don't close your eyes. I'll just find a way out when it's you and I. Oh, there's no rest for the wicked. Oh, there's no rest for the wicked. There's no rest for the wicked. Oh, there's no rest for the wicked. Oh, don't close your eyes. I'll just find a way out when it's you and I. Oh, there's no rest for the wicked, for the wicked, for the wicked.
Side by side we stood, the brave souls of the villagers, our hearts beating as one, ready to right the wrongs of our past. Our collective might, fueled by a wish pure and true, clashed with the dragon's roar. A battle for the ages it was, where courage met with fire and hope with despair. As the dust settled and peace returned, we stood humbled and wiser, understanding that the greatest magic is born from the wishes that bring light to all, uniting us in hope and harmony.